Up, do you press them right away?
Those, yeah. The only one you do every once in a while is the heartbeat one.
Okay.
The heartbeat one's the only one. But if you notice right there, it was mostly A and X all the time. So I think it'll show two of them, and it'll mostly be only those two buttons.
Sometimes it's Y.
But that's what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll only be two different buttons. You know?
Is that you back there?
Because this time it was just A and X.
Get to the church!
Oh my god.
Oh, already?
Where is she hanging from?
Ah, you're good. I think we're good.
One of those fucking things is after
Get
us!
inside! Go! Come on, move it!
Is that guy gonna explain some of the time? No, he's not even running.
What the hell are you doing?
Get in here.
He's like immune to it or something.
What does that mean?
Like it doesn't affect him. Like he doesn't see the spirits and like those.
Look for ways in and out of here. Close them all off. Shit! Come on, we need a barricade here.
X.
Oh shit.
Give Tevin X.
Come on.
I didn't do it.
No, he dropped it. Yeah, whenever it says that, you kind of want to just do it as fast as you can.
Why the hell is that old fool still out there?
He's following us. The old guys lost it.
Flip it? What
like
the
he's
heck
following
is flip it?
Whatever he's up to, we can't trust him. I know you're inside. What in God's name is he up to? He's gonna.
What if he's the one oofing them?
He doesn't
Yeah,
have much
and they
trouble
see
with it.
spirits
What the
instead
hell
of
is
him.
going on in there? You need to get away from here. Go before it's too late. Get the hell out of here. I'll go once I look you in the eye. Now let me in.
Oh my god,
What
maybe.
do I do?
I would say I'm sorry. We can't let you in. I don't trust him.
I'm real sorry, but I can't open this door.
Like, why can't he see it? Yeah, Celia's right there with
And
them.
believe me, I know.
Well, get out of here?
Get out of here.
Maybe.
Oh, what do you mean? I don't know.
Or what do you mean?
Yeah, what do you mean?
Wait, what do you mean?
I shut out the whole goddamn world. Instead, I chose to look inside a bottle. Not a life for a man or beast.
I don't know what to do next.
I don't know what to do next.
Sob story
I've been
down.
stuck in this town so long. I don't know what to do next.
That's
I
two
don't
of us,
say
man.
don't open the door though.
I'll go get help.
There you
That's a
go.
bad idea. There's nothing out there can help us.
Maybe he will go get home.
Things out there. It's toying with us.
What do I do?
The abandoned old guy with.
Why are they chasing us?
Oh, you
Why
can
are
just
they
say
chasing
nothing.
us?
Why are these things, whatever the hell they are, coming after us?
I wish I knew. Maybe then we'd know how to stop them.
Professor? Andrew!
It's me. I'm next.
What do you mean?
Is next to get oofed?
Priest, reverend, whatever.
No, it's
Maybe I
Taylor.
can-
Oh,
It's
in the
my double.
visions. That
Sounds
he's
serious.
next to die in the
Another
visions.
trial?
Not this time. It sure looked like it was heading that way.
And the girl? Mary?
She was there. But it seemed like she was trying to defend my double.
Did we
We
see
secure
that?
in here?
What?
You find
I
any
don't
other
remember
ways
seeing
in?
that.
You do.
Sorry, Professor, I didn't check.
Still can't believe what's happened to Angela. Not losing another student.
That thing is still out there.
Well,
Look
then
over
what
there.
should I move
It's
We have to
Megan.
follow her. Whoever
Think so?
she is, she's tied up
No,
in everything
it
that's
showed a
happened.
little girl running.
What if you're right? What then?
If we can stop her, it could prevent any more harm happening to our doubles.
Okay. Guard the door in case that thing comes back.
Why does Mom always get the spooky thoughts? Not sure.
Probably because Andrew's the main character, though. That's why I think.
Oh.
Because he was the only one in the prologue.
Mommy might have to press something to open it up. Excuse me.
Hey, kid. You out here?
It's crazy they followed her up to the roof. Oh, it's a trap.
Oh my god.
Oh, dang.
Did you see me?
That's crazy.
Why? Why does this always have to happen to me?
Trying to see his stuff.
Who's that?
Maybe, yeah.
Or who was that?
It pains me to say these words,
Who's that?
but
The
your
guy
punishment
with that.
today will protect us all. Keep our town safe.
You spare him. I beg you.
This is hard for you, child. But one day you will understand, and you will thank me.
Go from this place, Mary. Your pleas
That's,
cannot reach you.
Daniel.
My fate is not a memory you should carry.
Who will be my keeper if you are gone?
Judge Wyman has instructed Abraham. He will be your keeper. A decision not all are in agreement with. Every man will face his day of judgment. Yours is today.
No!
No!
Look, child. See who you would have me spare. See, he is no longer of this earth.
Trying to save him.
Only the damned and the devil can resist in this way.
It's crazy. They're not there. Yeah.
That's crazy that his twin just died.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
There it
Your
is.
turn.
Alright.
No, wait.
Or you want to play your turn? Or call it?
Yeah.
Play your turn? Okay. We'll play your turn real quick.
He was right here. I was holding him.
He just didn't.
It was right there. Nothing I could do.
Yes, there was nothing you could do. Don't blame yourself. Welcome to the club. So you had to see that.
I'm so sorry you had to go through that. I know how much it messed me up.
Fucking witch trials. What's wrong with these people? They killed that guy for no reason.
I'm sorry, this is fucked up.
Why did they even
Now
kill
we know the
him?
pattern.
It's like it's
Angela was
part
killed
of,
after seeing her double executed.
like witch
Taylor
magic.
had a narrow escape from that thing. You see your double get it? Then you're next.
That's real reassuring. Thanks for sharing.
Isn't it better to know what's gonna happen to you?
God.
Oh,
There it is!
already.
That's what's been after us!
Come on!
That's not gonna be real.
We might have to do the evil thing. Survivor.
You guys have to tell me which one because I'm just probably gonna be looking at that. Oh God!
What do we do now?
Why always
That
on
thing
my
outside.
tone?
Quiet.
No, I'm just joking. This is the first time. Not second time.
Listen,
It's
maybe
out
you'll
there.
get lucky. You won't have to
Listen.
touch
It's
it.
out
Hopefully.
there for now. What if it decides to come in after us?
That.
Maybe we're okay if we stay inside the church.
Because...
Because it's holy ground. A church? Maybe it can't come in.
Really? It's a fucking vampire now?
I'm just saying, this is a solid building.
He's
Yeah.
right. We're safer in here. We're staying put.
I guess you're right. It's holding me.
Yeah, hold it right
You
there.
gotta hold it down.
I guess staying makes some kind of sense, right? You think that's our best move?
We are staying in here. No choice.
We should take off while we still can. That thing has us boxed in.
No one else agrees with you. Staying in here is the majority decision.
We can't be splitting up again. After what happened to Angela?
Sure, whatever. But this doesn't feel right to me.
I'm scared. stick to. Who am I? I'm gonna stick next to him or who?
It says find another way out. Stick together.
Sounds like more than one. Fucking great.
Listen up.
You have to go this way.
It follows us when we move around.
I think I have to stick next to them because
Silent.
they're going.
Could be
Oh,
tracking
you
us
can
with
read that
sound.
right there.
Okay.
A lot of the names are unreadable.
Those are all the pastors.
Some of them are defaced. I wonder why. Must be.
Maybe they were accused of being witches.
Maybe.
Yeah, across town.
Anything? Oh my god. Look at me, it's a jump scare. I don't think I should be going this way.
Let's get out of here! Quickly!
Now it's gonna be this one. Oh my god.
Oh, get ready.
No!
Wait, let's say Daniel.
Get out of sight! Hide!
Get ready to press the button. Like that?
Yes!
Alright.
I'm
We're
waiting
gonna
to
hand
go.
over the control to you every time.
Right.
No!
Confront or escape? Confront? Save him,
control,
huh?
yeah. What?
See if we're gonna press the button.
Punch! That was easy for you because you're putting me on easy. Do it! The timer goes very slow. That's good.
I know. If we do play another one, I'll put you on easy for
Yes,
this one.
please do. I feel more confident.
So you could have done that. That was really easy.
No, I couldn't. I'll be like,
Yeah.
I'll drop the
It's
controller.
over,
Is it
guys.
over?
Where are you? Taylor, come on! Talk to us!
What do we gotta do? We
We
gotta do something.
We gotta do something now.
Hold on! We need to be calm. Fuck calm! Taylor's in trouble!
Oh, is it over?
It's your
No.
turn.
Yeah, let me see.
Hopefully it's your turn soon.
That was crazy. You're being chased, huh?
Taylor.
Fuck.
Oh, shoot.
Is that you? I can't see it.
Go left or go right?
You pick.
What do you
I
think?
don't know. Left?
Left?
I don't know.
Alright, we'll go left.
Yeah, left.
Is that you? I'm over here.
Oh no.
Oh, it was the wrong one. No. How is it just based off a decision like that?
X.
Or maybe it's not. Oh no, I pressed B! I pressed X too much. Save her! Oh my gosh, I was pressing X so much that... What happened?
I don't know.
Deceitful. Don't die. Ah, all because I freaking pressed B when I was stepping that, or